IAmProducts bring you apparel, goods, and services dedicated to empowering Black individuals, families, and communities. Our products are yours because they support the best for you, your family, and your community. IAmProducts are more than just things. They are tangible affirmations that encourage you to build a positive, constructive, and fulfilling life. I am peace. I am unity. I am knowledge. I am power. I am law. I am protection. I am control. I am cooperation and harmony. I am correct ideas and beliefs. I am devotion. I am strength. Behind these affirmations are apparel and products dedicated to the development of healthy bodies and minds, while advancing economic and social development. Join the movement. Be the change. Start living your best life today, and let IAmProducts affirmation apparel and products help you. Here's another benefit. Whenever you buy from IAmProducts, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners who are dedicated to building the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at IAmProducts.Store.